Guys, I'm Dan, I'm from KillerWipers.com. Today we're going to do the Volkswagen Scirocco MK3 wiper delete kit. Mate. Smash. Fuck's sake, mechanism. What am I on about? Okay guys, first part of this wiper delete, you're going to need either a 13mm socket or a 13mm spanner. We're going to remove the plastic trim on the wiper arm and then remove the 13mm nut. Once you've taken off the wiper arm, we're going to pop the boot, we're going to remove 2 pieces of plastic trim, which is going to reveal 2 Torx T20 screws. We're going to remove those and then remove the plastic trim from inside the hatch. Every time, innit? It's me and boots. We'll take a flathead screwdriver. There's 2 little pieces of trim here. We're going to pop these out, and as I said, remove the 2 Torx T20 pieces. Standard Volkswagen stuck in. All 4 actually stuck in. There we go. Cool, so take your centre piece off first and then your 2 side pieces, and then we can move the lower part. Smashed myself right in the face with that one. Okay guys, as with most Volkswagens, everything's held in by metal clips and they all seem to get stuck inside the body, so you want to take a trim puller if this happens. Make sure you pull them all out before you put your trim back on. Okay, so the next step, we're going to remove the power supply to the wiper motor. This actually has a power supply to the lock in the back. We're going to take it out for now just while we remove everything, but before we put the trim back on, we're going to put this back in place. Okay, for this next section, you're just going to be left with a rubber bung. We're going to pull this out, and then we're going to clean the glass from the inside and the outside, just because we're going to prepare the glass because we're going to bond the kit from the inside. Okay, you're going to take your kit from KillerWipers.com. The link for this kit is in the description below. We're now going to open the packet, remove the wiper delete, and we're going to test fit the kit first to ensure we know how to fit it. We're going to do a dry run first before we apply our sealant. Just for you guys out there, the Grim Reaper logo should be on the inside of the hatch. This is protective film. I'm going to peel this off right at the end of the install, but for now we're just going to test fit the kit. Okay guys, we're going to take some tape. It doesn't matter what type of tape it is because we're going to remove it later on. We're going to fit the wiper delete to the tape, and then we're going to run a seal around the edge of the wiper delete. Awesome, and now we're going to fit the kit from the inside of the hatch. Okay, we put the tape on the back of the kit whilst it sets to the glass. So this is to ensure that it sets in the correct place and it doesn't fall away from the glass. There's a tiny bit of sealant around the edge. We're just going to wipe this down, then we're going to leave the kit to set for at least 1 hour. As with all our kits, the kit is 100% reversible, so to ensure no water ingresses into the plug, if you do want to reverse it, you can use the bag the kit came in, put a cable tie around it, zip tie it, job done. Okay guys, we've waited 1 hour for it to set. We're going to put the trim back on the inside of the hatch, and then we're going to remove the film to reveal the finished product. Okay guys, as I said before, just want to make sure. Yeah mate, I always say guys like I'm on some kids YouTube channel. Hi guys, today we're going to play with slime. Okay, so if there's any of the clips stuck in the hatch, pull them out, then put them back into your trim piece, and then we're going to fit the trim back onto the car. Okay, on this section, these corners need to be pulled over this piece of metal first for it to go in easy. It is a bit of a nightmare to get in, but you might need 2 people to do it, but you can just pop them around there and it should knock it. Yeah, buzzing. Okay guys, we've put all of the trim back on, the inside of the hatch, all the screws are back in. We're now going to peel off the film to reveal the finished product. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click the red button below. I just want to say thanks to Lewis. His Instagram is @its_2.0 TFSI. If you want to follow us on Instagram, it's @kill_all_wipers. Thanks for watching. Cheers.